Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Webflow CMS collections for dynamic pages, complete guide step by step clearly. To update Webflow CMS collections for dynamic pages, begin by logging into your Webflow account. Navigate to the project that contains your dynamic pages. In the left sidebar, click on the CMS icon to access your collections. Choose the specific collection you want to update from the list displayed. Once inside the collection, review the current fields and items. To add a new item, click the New Item button located at the top right corner. Fill in the required fields with the updated information. If you need to remove an item, locate the item in the list and click on the trash can icon. Confirm that you want to delete the item when prompted. To edit an existing item, click on the item's name to open it for editing. Make the necessary changes to the fields you wish to update. After finishing your edits, click the Save button at the bottom of the page to save your changes. If you need to rearrange the order of items, use the drag and drop feature available in the collection list. To add new fields to the collection, click on the Add Field button at the top right corner of the collection settings. Select the type of field you want to add and provide a name for it. Make sure to configure the settings for the new field according to your needs. After adding the field, remember to click Save to apply the changes. To revisit the dynamic pages, navigate back to the Pages panel in the left sidebar. Select the dynamic page template you want to adjust. Here, you can link the new fields from the collection to the elements on your dynamic page. Once you've updated the elements to reflect the new fields, click on the Publish button to view the changes live. Review the dynamic pages to ensure everything displays as expected. Finally, confirm that the updates enhance the user experience and meet your project goals. You have successfully updated your Webflow CMS collections for dynamic pages. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.